So hi, what I have in front of me is this DJM-750 and I need to replace the faders in it. And I believe that to remove these plastics you will need to use the same method as I did in my previous video. So let me just see whether this thing is so or not. Yes, it is. Now this mixture is actually it's well, it's rusty and dirty, so yeah, there you have it. Okay, this thing is actually yeah, boy, this is sticky. Well, anyway, let me zoom in a bit. You need to have some kind of tool like this one. Move this thing upwards. This is the white part, and when you move it up, you need to you can then remove the this plastic. So yeah, and this white part, then you just push it, and basically that's it for the every fader and well, cross fader there is. And you will need to, sorry, let me zoom out, and you will need to remove them all. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and again this is rusty, so I'm not sure whether I will be able to open this thing. Oh boy. So you know what, I'll actually yeah, these ones are okay, but these ones in the bottom, I think I'll have to use a bit of WD-40 just so that I can loosen this thing a bit. Oh bloody hell. I'll be moving this thing a bit up. Get a load of this. You know what is not solved by WD-40 is solved by duct tape. So okay. Warning, noise. Okay. A bit of a brute force, and yeah, I will need to replace this screw because yeah. So laser tips, awesome. Yeah. So let's see whether this is a smart design or not. But I think it is. So there are 2 screws in here. Let me show you. Let me turn the mixer a bit closer. Okay. So as you can see, there are 2 screws in here which you need to remove. Now I won't be actually repairing these faders because for some reason I have replacements. I have no idea why, and I have exactly 3 because the owner said that he does not want to replace this one. And I was like, okay, because he thinks that that one actually works, but I can tell you right away that this thing does not look nice. This is rusty fucking a lot, and this thing actually looks like it has been replaced. So you know what, I'll remove all 3 of those, and we'll go from there. So this one was actually open, I have no idea why, but for some reason, yeah, I have 3 new faders for this thing, which is awesome. So yeah, this thing will be butter smooth. You need to unsolder everything. So you know what, my soldering iron is actually on. So once everything has been removed and cleaned, this is the way that everything should look like. And now all you need to do is, well, install the new fader in, and that should be it. Yeah, perfect. Now let's well, resolder this thing back. Breathing this thing is yeah, not that great. And this thing actually looks even better with my soldering than it was, you know, when it was the original. And these 2 are actually crossed, so that's normal. Okay, 1 down. I need to install this thing and, well, to test it. I'm guessing this one is red. But this is so super easy to install. It's kind of insane. I don't think that I'll actually install that screw that was there. So let's install these 4 screws that are actually okay. And I don't know about the 5th one. I'll need to find the 5th one somewhere. This is horrific. So let's install these white hooks. So you press it in, and here you have and here you need to make sure that this thing latches on. After it clicks, all you do is install this thing and boom, you are done. With this thing being replaced, let's try and see whether this thing actually works or not. It's working. The second one working. I'm sorry, I cannot. Yeah, all of them are actually working, so that's actually awesome. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, subscribe. And again, I am still new with this camera, so yeah, I do need to get the angles and whatnot. Until next time, bye bye.